Nikkietutorials in collaboration with Beautybay. And I asked you guys over on Instagram, what look should I do? Should I do a rainbow look? Should I do a bronze glam look? It was a 50-50, so I've decided to do it on my face the way you guys wanted it. So I've done a rainbow look on this side and I've done a glam bronzy look on this side using this palette. So I absolutely love the packaging and the design of this palette. So it basically shows the dark side of Nikkie and the bright flamboyant side, which we all love about Nikkie. So, like I say, I've done a rainbow eye on this one and a glam bronze on this one. I'm obsessed. I want to literally do 2 reels on my Instagram doing a full look of this one and a full look of that one. So opening up the palette, I was absolutely blown away with the colour story. I absolutely loved it, and I love that it's got a mirror, which is I am me, and a mirror on this side which it says you are you. So this is a magnified mirror and this one is just the normal mirror. So in this palette, oh my god, the colour story, let me tell you, and the glitters, like the shimmers in this palette, I've never known shimmers like it, to be honest guys. I'm literally obsessed with it. I love it. It's become my new baby and it's been literally on my table all week and I've been using it for work because I'm obsessed with it. So you've got shimmers, you've got metallics, you've got mattes in here, and I'm just obsessed. So I'm going to go through the shades. So we've got this beautiful orange called Redemption. How gorgeous is that? So that's Redemption. We then have a pink bubblegum shade, which is called Bend and Snap, which is that one. So that is Bend and Snap. I mean, swatches on the hand are not my ideal way of showing people how the palette is, but I think they work better on the eye. You then have Ivy, which is this gorgeous icy white shimmer, and oh my god, like how beautiful is that shade? You then have Slasher, which is this beautiful burgundy shade, so that's Slasher. You then have 5 AM, which is this beautiful brown, and that's Slasher. Oh, that's 5 AM. So you have Ivy, Slasher and 5 AM. We then have Roxy Catan. This is like a rose gold pink shimmer. How bloody gorgeous is that shade? We then have Vila, which is the beautiful yellow, which is like a neon greeny yellow in the palette, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So that's Vila. We then have Mikai, which is the colour that Nikkie chose for her brother, and I believe red was his favourite colour, and it's in the middle of the palette and it's like centre stage, and it's the most gorgeous red I've ever seen for a long while. So then the next shade is Mila, which is this lovely camel brown, and it's more like my, yeah, it's a lovely camel brown. We then have Underground, which is a gorgeous metallic. It's got like silver in there, it's got flecks of green, it's just beautiful. It's very metallic and it's gorgeous on the eyes. Now, plot twist, it doesn't really swatch very well. It's like a pastel blue, so it doesn't really swatch very well on the hand, but it's a beautiful pastel blue. Yeah, you can't really tell, you can't see it on there. The next one next to that is Aura. And this is a beautiful rose peachy shimmer. I'm obsessed with it. I love that shimmer so much. It is beautiful. We then have Basic Trutt, which is Basic Bitch in Dutch, and it's more of a skin tone colour. So this is like an all over, I think Nikkie said like an all over everyday colour. You could put like a wing with it, or you could set your concealer with this shade, but it is more, yeah, it's definitely like my skin tone. Then we have All In. This is gorgeous. It has flecks of green, flecks of gold, and it's just stunning. It is stunning. It's beautiful. It looks like old gold. I was quite shocked with this next colour, because this next colour is a green, and Nikki is very renowned for knowing she does not like the colour green, but she put it in here anyway. And true Nikkietutorials style, she called it ew, but it's gorgeous. It is beautiful. It is such a stunning green. Then of course she put in pride because of the LGBT community, which is an absolutely fabulous community, and I have friends that are part of that community, so I love that she's put pride in this palette. And it's a beautiful, beautiful pink, bright pink. It's me, I'm here, I'm proud of it. So yeah, that's a gorgeous colour. Oh, how beautiful is that? It's stunning. Then we have Zomba, I think that's how you pronounce it, Zomba, which is basically Dutch for summer. And it's a beautiful peach colour. It's so nice. It's such a beautiful peachy all over colour. We then have Nikkietutorials, which is a beautiful shimmering baby blue. Oh, that is just gorgeous. How beautiful is that? I mean, I love this palette. When I first got it, I was like, I can't wait to share it with you guys. Then we have Amsterdam, which is this beautiful purpley blue. Oh, beautiful. And then the last shade is Mr. Tutorials, and she based this on her boyfriend or fiance's eye colour, I believe. And it's like a green, old money gold colour. Oh, it's beautiful. So my thoughts on this palette, it's gorgeous. I love it. I can see myself using this palette time and time again. So guys, if you'd like to see how I created both of these looks on my eyes today, then please keep on watching. And I love you always. Enjoy the video, guys. So in the words of Nikki, I'm going to prime my eyes because not to prime is a crime. And of course, I'm going to be priming my eyelids with the P. Louise base in Romance 0.5. We're going to start off with the rainbow, this side, like the more colourful and flamboyant side. So I'm going to first go into the shade Bend and Snap, which I love. I absolutely love Legally Blonde as well, and I think that was absolutely amazing to put that in the palette. I'm first going to get like a little pencil brush and pick up that shade Bend and Snap and put that in the inner corner. Taking another pencil brush, I'm going to go into the shade Vela. I'm really sorry if I butcher up these names. Some of them are in Dutch as well. Vela, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's that beautiful, beautiful neon yellow, and I'm just going to pop that next to the pink. Shades literally work so well together. I mean, I thought it would be a nice palette anyway, with it being a Beauty Bay product, but also with it being in collaboration with Nikki, I knew the colours were going to pop. The Jessup's pencil brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Ew, which is that green, and I'm just going to pop that on the corner with that yellow. Before I put any other colours on, I'm just going to use a cotton bud and some micellar water and just clean up that edge. I'm then going to go back in with a bit more P. Louise and cut that crease. I'm now just going to top up those 3 colours again. Taking another pencil brush, I'm going to go into the shade Amsterdam, which is that beautiful blue, and I'm putting that on the outer corner. I'm just going to use a fluffy brush with no product on, and I'm just going to blend over the top of those colours. And now using my finger, I'm going to definitely go into that shade Pride. Oh, look how beautiful that shade is. Oh my god. I'm literally... Oh, I knew this shade was going to be gorgeous. I just knew it. There is fallout with this palette as well, guys. So I would suggest doing the eyes before your base makeup. Oh wow, look how beautiful that shade is. But that is absolutely stunning. I really love them colours. They literally scream out Easter to me. I might have to do a reel on my Instagram and do this look again on both eyes because I'm obsessed, guys. I really love that. So, jumping onto the other eye now, I'm going to pop some more of the P. Louise on the back of my hand, and we're going to do a bit of a bronzy kind of look on that eye. Eye is prepped. I'm going to go into the shade 5 AM, which is that beautiful dark chocolate brown. It's all over shader. It's like a fluffy but flat kind of fluffy brush, so it's quite flat and dense. So I'm going to pick up that 5 AM shade and pop that in the outer corner. So taking the Jessup's Luxe crease brush, I'm going to go into Mila, which is that beautiful camel brown, and just fade that into the dark brown, that 5 AM shade. And then again, with an earbud, I am going to cut the crease. So then going back in with the brush with the 5 AM, nothing more on it. I'm just going to tap over the top just to bring that shade back in. And the same with Mila. I'm just using the brush that I used, no more product on it, and just blend in. And then I'm just going to cut that crease again with the P. Louise. Just beautiful. I absolutely love this palette. Like, you can do a bold rainbow eye if you want to, or a bronze look. So going back into 5 AM and using the same brush, I'm just going to tap that into the outer corner. I'm going to go into the shade All In. It's a lovely metallic shade. Oh my god, look at that. So I'm going to take that all over this part of the cut crease using my finger. Oh my god, guys. Wow. It has like bits of gold, bits of green, and oh my god, it's just stunning. It's like a foil. So that's the rainbow eye, and then that's the bronzy. I just love this palette, guys. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Beauty Bay. I'm a massive fan of Nikkie, but regardless of being a fan of either Beauty Bay or Nikkietutorials, this is my own personal opinion. I absolutely love the formula, the payoff, the pigmentation of the palette. I'm just in love, guys. So before we do the under eye, I'm just going to do my base makeup now. So I'm just going to quickly do my base makeup, and then I'm going to go into the red, which is Mikai, which is Nikkie. I think I'm saying his name right. I really hope I am. It was Nikkie's brother that passed away, and it's a beautiful red shade which I believe was his favourite colour. I'm then going to go into the shade Ew, which is that green. I'm going to take the Lottie London AM to PM pencil that I got in the, I think it was the Look Fantastic box, and I'm just going to pop that on the waterline. I'm then going to go into 5am with a really angled brush, and I'm going to blend that out using that. I hope you just didn't hear my stomach growling. So hungry. Lashes I'm going to be using are these ones from Amazon, and they're just false fluffy eyelashes. I just got them. I think they're about £3 or something like that. I will link them down below. For mascara, I'm just going to go in with the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. So my final thoughts on this palette is I absolutely love it, guys. It's worth the money. The pigmentation is there. The payoff is absolutely gorgeous. Like I say, you can do a bright, colourful look, or you can do an everyday glam bronzy look that I've done. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a video, which is every Sunday and Wednesday. And until next time, enjoy your day, whatever you're doing, and stay safe as always. I love you always, guys. Bye.